Searching for and finding the American bird grasshopper for fish bait isn't hard because they are easily found in open woodlands and fields. However, catching them can be a daunting task. Using a butterfly net to catch them works well, especially if you have help. The American bird grasshopper is native to North America. It is found east of the Great Plains and is common in the southeast. Like all grasshoppers, the American bird grasshopper has 6 legs. They have 2 pairs of wings, one narrow and tough, the other wide and flexible, and long hind legs for jumping. These giant grasshoppers enjoy nesting in shrubs and trees and can grow over 2 inches long. American bird grasshopper will eat cotton and grasses and grains like oats and wheat. It will also eat flowers and even tree bark. Thanks for watching, and please hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video.